Welcome to the month of June, a month of sunshine, growth, and heartfelt celebration. This month, we begin by honoring all the amazing fathers and father figures. Your love, strength, and quiet sacrifices do not go unnoticed. From all of us at Lyceum Global, Happy Father's Day. And with summer officially beginning, we're excited to launch 3 inspiring youth programs that will keep our hearts and minds engaged all season long. At Van Houston Academy, our great summer camp will guide preteens to grow through the values of gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. Our Vietnamese Youth Leadership Summit, or VYLS, brings together Vietnamese teens from across the country to lead, to connect, and celebrate culture. And for all young adult leaders, aged 17 to 25, we're thrilled to host the Youth Empowerment Summit, where purpose, wellness, and civic action come alive. June is also a beautiful reminder to step outside and connect with the earth. Let us show grace to our planet by appreciating its gifts and caring for it with love. Let's live in grace with our environment, with gratitude for all that nature gives us, with respect for every living being, with accountability for our choices, with courage to act differently, and with engagement to build a better world together. As we welcome summer, may you find time to reconnect with loved ones, recharge in nature, and rediscover joy in the little things. From all of us at Lyceum Global, we wish you a joyful, meaningful, and grace-filled month of June.